Hey guys, we're back here with the GoPro Hero 6. We tested it out the other day to try with the surfing, try out both 120 frames and the 240 frames. Today we're gonna check out and see what the 4K 30 frames per second looks like. Take a little walk around our studio here in Manhattan Beach. Here we go. So right now we're just walking through. This has a built-in stabilizer. This is the first one that really came in with a decent built-in stabilizer. I'm just kind of walking normally. This is one of our little bar areas here. We're going to see how fast it adjusts to the outside light. Just going to cruise around. This is one of our sitting areas here, looking out towards Manhattan Beach Toyota. I'm going to walk down one of our hallways now. And like I said, I'm just walking normal to see how much movement we get. So now we're going to come back out to see how it does along through here and then back out into a brighter room. So that's it. This is us testing it. You might not be able to know if you're looking at this on social media really how sharp or how grainy it is, but we'll take a look at it and let you know how it goes. Thanks.